Good morning everybody. Well, it's another new day, day 76 of lockdown. It's another new episode. It's part one. It's not quite as bad as yesterday morning, but it's wet again. It's just spitting very slightly. It's clearly been raining in the night. Everywhere's damp. So just heading to get the camera and we'll take a quick look, see if we've got anything. Did get a few clips last night, but because it was raining there was only two. So hopefully we'll get a bit more today. Right, it doesn't look great. Only 5 clips. One of them you can just see the fox's eyes amongst the fogging on the screen. So I don't know what's happened there, whether that's the rain or what that is. It's proving quite difficult to get footage for the video lately. What with all the birds that have fledged. The camera on the fence post is just picking up the young fox, and it doesn't seem to come out that often. Just briefly comes out onto that little path and has a sort of look round, grabs the food that I put down and then darts back into the hedgerow. So I may have to move the camera tonight back into the woods, because I'm definitely picking up scent in the woods, and just see if we can get the one of the adults on camera in maybe a new location. So I think we'll try that tonight. I did go out last night trying to get some photos of the bats, but that was proving difficult as well. There were a few bats out, but it was I didn't quite get any photos. I did manage to capture a photo of a tawny owl just flying across the bridleway. It was a little bit too far away to be worthy of the video, shall we say. You could tell it was the tawny owl, but I had to zoom right in onto the photo, and it was very grainy. So I might show you, but it's not great. Right, the rain's starting to get a bit heavier now, so I think it's time to head back and get back indoors and have a brew and a bit of breakfast. Right, sorry I can't bring you anything else, but I suppose that's nature. Right, let's go. One thing I've seen an increase in the last week or so is the amount of litter that's appearing in the woods. Probably a month, 2 months ago it wasn't too bad. But yeah, these last 2 weeks there's definitely been an increase in the amount of litter. And I have noticed, even last night, about 10:30, 11:15, I was coming back from placing the camera, and there were still groups of lads hanging around in the woods, of about 6 or 8 in one group. And there was another group near the bridleway in the playing fields, and there's rubbish on the playing fields as well. Sad really. Good morning everybody, and welcome to the second part of this episode. It's day 77 of lockdown. Nothing on the camera last night. Just been and collected it. I'm sure some of the bait had gone, but yeah, nothing on the camera. It's strange. I did put it in a pretty obscure place, but yeah, it definitely looked as though some of the bait had gone. But I have spotted another area. There's like a run, some kind of animal run. So I'm going to put it along there tonight. I did get out yesterday afternoon just because the weather improved. Sun came out briefly, dried things up a bit, so I took that opportunity to go out with my camera, with my big zoom camera, and just take some photos. Take a look. So in part one of the video I mentioned about the increase in the amount of rubbish and litter that's appearing in the woods. So today I've come out with a big bin liner. I've just been collecting all the rubbish up just to, there's a bit here. It is only a bit, but it's rubbish nonetheless, and just to see how quickly it comes back really. So I just thought I'd do my bit for the woodland, keep the animals happy and the birds. well, there you go. I'm sorry today's episode was all a bit rubbish, but hopefully I've done my little bit for the woodland. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Please keep your comments coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.